What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite microcap gems. This is the kind of project that can turn your $1,000 into $100,000. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So I just want to congratulate any of you guys that invested in Graphlinq protocol after I talked about it. As you can see, it was trading at 0.0046, and this is Graphlinq at the current moment, 0.0082. So even right now, it is currently holding 78% gains, and at its peak, it was over 100% gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. I have called out many profitable projects on this channel, and I will continue doing so in the future. But anyways, I'll go deeper into the chart at the end of the video. According to CoinMarketCap, Graphlinq is currently up exactly 100% in the last month, and its market cap is up to 2.6 million, which ranks 1,153rd among all cryptocurrencies. And just to put this in perspective, Graphlinq would only need to reach a market cap of $269 million in order to 100x your money. You turn that 1,000 into 100 grand. And to be completely honest, that might not even put Graphlinq within the top 300 cryptocurrencies during the next bull run. Now, GLQ's circulating supply is 339 million out of a total supply of 650 million. And it's currently down 92% from its all-time high that it reached 2 years ago at just under 11 cents. But if you're looking to get into Graphlinq, I recommend using KuCoin or MEXC. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And now I'd like to give a brief overview on all of these microcap gems, just because a lot of you guys probably have not heard of them yet. And now I could sit here and just read through this, but instead I'm going to just come over to their Twitter and let you watch their pinned tweet talking about what Graphlinq actually is, as they can explain it better than I can.
Welcome to the world of decentralized technologies, where innovation and progress take center stage, offering a unique opportunity for users to take an active role in the growth of the Graphlinq network while earning attractive rewards for their participation. An EVM-compatible proof of authority blockchain designed for highly performant, scalable, and secure decentralized application development. Utilizes the POA consensus mechanism, known for fast transaction times, low energy consumption, and high security. Regional distribution of RPC nodes for optimized access in different regions. Earn rewards and higher APY. Implements the click consensus mechanism for secure and efficient consensus on the state of the ledger. Run graphs locally to contribute to the network and earn rewards in GLQ. Graphlinq, the no-code blockchain for Web3 automation and dApps.
And that's the other thing about Graphlinq protocol. They are the first ever no-code blockchain. And again, I want to remind you, this project has a market cap of 2.6 million. It does not take much money at all to move this project. Just to go a little deeper into that, if you come over to market cap of and you compare the current market cap of GLQ to the current market cap of Flux, which is another project that I'm pretty bullish on long term, but its market cap currently is 128 million. If Graphlinq got to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of 37 cents, and that'd be a 46x. You invest 1,000, it turns into 46 grand. Now, obviously, that is not guaranteed gains. Nothing in crypto is, but a $128 million market cap during a bull run is nothing. There are so many projects out there that reach those levels. And then if theoretically GLQ got to the all-time high market cap that Flux reached, which was over 700 million, then GLQ would be trading at over $2, and that'd be a 253x. You invest 1,000, it turns into 253,000. And making gains like this is truly how you could create generational wealth. And the reality is that a lot of people investing in cryptocurrency want to create generational wealth. That's the whole reason they're investing to begin with. But the problem is a lot of people think that they can create generational wealth by investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum. And that's just not the case. Let's say absolute best case scenario, you 10x your money in Bitcoin and it goes to $350,000 a coin. Now, I do want to be clear. I'm not saying it can only go to 350,000 in general, but I'm just talking next bull run. But let's say it goes to 350,000. A 10x is not going to create you generational wealth unless you already have hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest. That's just how it is. Look, there's no denying the fact that these larger market cap projects are significantly safer, but typically financial freedom is achieved by taking risks. So there's not really much more to say. Just understand GLQ has a tiny market cap. But now if we go back to their Twitter and we look at some of the recent news, they just posted on November 7th that they have partnered with DinoBet Casino, the licensed crypto casino. And this is actually really cool to see. You can now use your GLQ to play poker, live blackjack games, lottery, future trading, and sports. Now, I'm not going to endorse gambling on this channel, but personally, I like playing some Texas Hold'em here and there. So personally, I might check this out. But regardless, it's good to see that GLQ is continuing to get partnerships. And then some other important information is what they posted October 31st. Lua virtual machine integration on the Graphlinq for scripting offers even more freedom and flexibility while creating graphs. So we have another integration. And then lastly, what they posted October 29th, GLQ soared to the top gainer board on KuCoin, which does make sense as KuCoin is up 100% in the last month. But the reason something like this is important is because KuCoin is a widely recognized exchange, and this could bring a lot of potential volume to Graphlinq as it puts them right in the spotlight. Now, lastly, I want to take a look at Watcher Guru's Twitter just because some of these macro events could still affect Graphlink's price action. So the first news being what they posted 5 hours ago. So the HSBC, one of the largest banks in the world, to launch a digital assets custody service for institutional clients. And that is very similar to what they posted November 2nd. Swiss bank St. Galler Cantonal Bank to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum custody services. So what do these mean? You have to understand a lot of people out there right now do not invest in cryptocurrency because they don't understand self-custody. They don't understand what a seed phrase is, a hot wallet, a cold wallet. But if we are now having banks that offer custody services, people might be a lot more inclined to invest in cryptocurrency, which could be extremely bullish for the industry. And now what they posted 17 hours ago, US Treasury official says President Biden's admin wants new powers from Congress to crack down on crypto. And this is obviously not a good thing to see. But I will say the same thing that I have been saying for a long time, and that is that the United States cannot afford to push cryptocurrency out of the US. If they did, it would significantly hurt innovation within the country. So I guess it depends on the definition of crack down on crypto. But I do also want to point out that that's the whole point of cryptocurrency. It's supposed to be decentralized. So even if one country doesn't like crypto, they don't have the power to single-handedly get rid of it. Now, lastly, I want to go over this November 6th post. So the Bank of England proposes allowing stablecoins as a payment option for goods and services. And this could be enormous. Think about it. People would no longer have to convert their Bitcoin into fiat currency, but rather they could convert it to Tether or USDC, which is a one-to-one peg to the dollar. And it would make it significantly easier to stay in cryptocurrency year-round. Now, lastly, we'll go over some technical analysis. So this is GLQ on the daily time frame. And as I said, congratulations to any of you guys that took this trade. You could have made about 78% gains. Now, as for what I'm seeing right now, price action is trading just above the 786 on the Fibonacci, which is usually a fantastic accumulation zone. However, the RSI is pretty overbought right now, but the stochastics have reset. But more than just the daily time frame, this is the 3-day. The RSI and stochastics are completely cooked. Even the weekly time frame, they're getting a little bit overbought. So in the meantime, I might look for price action to either continue trading sideways or to start flagging out a little bit. But I will say, if you look at the moving averages, the 21-day has broken above the 200-day moving average. That is a golden cross, which typically signals an explosive move is coming. So I wouldn't be shocked if price action does end up bouncing off the 21-day moving average and having an explosive move up. And then you could also argue that GLQ was trading in a bull flag, which has started breaking out, and it actually has a huge measured move to just over 1 cent. But the reality of Graphlinq protocol right now is whether or not it drops a little bit in the short term, this move is extremely bullish from a long-term perspective. And you have to remember it has a market cap of only 2.6 million. So it takes hardly any money to move this project. So it could explode at any moment. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. So very similar to GLQ, the RSI is extremely overbought, but the stochastics have reset. And then Bitcoin is also cooked on the 3-day and the weekly time frame. So based on the RSI and stochastics, realistically, we should have a little bit of a pullback. But crypto has been going absolutely parabolic. So right now, you could actually argue that Bitcoin is also trading in a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time, and it has a huge measure move to over $42,000. And I will say, in all of my previous videos, I've been talking about how price action is trading away from all of the moving averages and the high volume node on the VRVP. And typically these indicators work as magnets. However, that 21-day is starting to creep up. So I wouldn't be shocked if price action does get a bounce off of it. But I do want to be crystal clear. Based on my trade style, I will never chase a parabolic move. In my experience, rarely does that work out well for you. But as I say in every single one of my videos, it's crucial that you understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if some extremely bullish news comes out, that could skyrocket the entire market. If some extremely bearish news comes out, that could tank the entire market. So just keep an open mind. Understand crypto is going to be extremely volatile in the short term. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments. Are there any other microcap gems that you would like me to talk about in the future? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.